64 sum. If fx equal to sine inverse 2 into 3 raised to x upon 1 plus 9 raised to x, then f dash minus 1 by 2 is equal to dash. This is online 2018 question. So here first of all, fx equal to sine inverse 2 into 3 raised to x upon 1 plus 9 raised to x. Here the condition is also there, minus 1 less than x is less than 0, and therefore when we take 3 raised to x, then 0, 3 raised to x is less than 1. Okay, now here we split this sine inverse, or we are taking sine inverse this 2 into 3 raised to x 1 plus 9 raised to x. Then we know that here sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x, right? We know this formula, so we use this formula for the simplification of the given term. So here it is 2 tan inverse 3 raised to x, right? 2 tan inverse 3 raised to x. Now if we want to find the derivative of this function, then we have f dash x is equal to 2, we put outside, tan inverse derivative 1 plus 9 raised to x into 3 raised to x derivative is 3 raised to x log 3 to base e. Now here we want to find minus 1 by 2. So here we put f dash minus 1 by 2, which is 2 upon 1 plus 9 raised to minus 1 by 2 into 3 raised to minus 1 by 2 into log 3 to base e. Okay, now we just simplify here and we get our answer. That here first of all 2 upon 1 plus this is 1 by 3 into 3 raised to minus 1 by 2 is 1 upon root 3 into log 3 to base e. Now here 2 by 4 into 3 upon root 3 log 3 to base e. Now here when we cut them, then we have, and this 3 and root 3 are also cancelled, root 3 by 2 log 3 to base e. Root 3 by 2 log 3 to base e. This is our one answer, but sometimes the answer is given in another form, just like this, 1 by 2 log 3 to base e. Then we take this 1 by 2 in power of the 3. So root 3 log root 3 to base e. So this is our answer, that root 3 log root 3 to base e of the given 64th sum, right? So here first you simplify it and then you get the answer. The formula is important for us. Okay, directly you can, but it is quite hard. But if you know the formula, then it is very easy. Okay, we go for the next one. Okay, 65. Let f from R to R, fx equal to 5, x less or equal to 1, a plus bx, 1 is less than x less than 3, b plus 5x, 3 less or equal to x is less than 5, and 30 where x is greater or equal to 5. Then f is dash. Means we want to check or verify the continuity of the function and find a and b, right? So here first of all f is continuous at 1, 3 and 5. Therefore limit x tends to 1 minus 5 is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus a plus bx is equal to 5 is equal to a plus b. This is our first result. Now the second one, and limit x tends to 3 minus a plus bx is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus b plus 5x. Then again we get a plus 3b is equal to b plus 15, or a plus 2b is equal to 15. Second. Now the third is limit x tends to 5 minus b plus 5x is equal to limit x tends to 5 plus 30. Therefore, b plus 25 is 30, means b is equal to 5. This is our third result. Now here from 1, 2 and 3, we can say that first of all, if we put b equal to 5 here from 1, a equal to 0. Now a and b are obtained. So we can say that here limit x tends to 3 minus a plus bx is equal to a means 0, b means 5 and 3 is 15, right? But f3 is equal to b plus 5x. It means here we directly put 5 plus 15. It is 20. So therefore these two are not equal. Therefore limit x tends to 3 minus fx is not equal to f3. So we can say that f is discontinuous. F is discontinuous at x equal to 3. So f is discontinuous for a equal to 0, b equal to 5 and at x equal to 3. And therefore f is not continuous at all, right? So here f is not continuous for any value of b, a and b. So this way we can find our answer. Okay, now we go for the next one. Okay, 66. If x equal to 3 tan t and y is equal to 3 sec t, then d square y upon dx square at t equal to pi by 4 is dash. 2019 question is there. So here dx upon dt is equal to 3 sec square t and dy upon dt is equal to 3 sec t into tan t. Right? Therefore dy upon dx is equal to 3 sec t into tan t upon 3 sec square t. Now 3 are removed, 1 sec is there, tan t upon sec t. So it is sin t. Now d square y upon dx square is equal to d upon dt of sin t into dt upon dx. It is cos t into dt upon it is 1 by 3 sec square t. Now here we want to find d square y upon dx square at t equal to pi by 4. So it is cos pi by 4 into 1 upon 3 sec square pi by 4. So this is 1 upon root 2 into 1 by 3 and 2. It is 1 upon 6 root 2. So the answer of this term is 1 upon 6 root 2. Right? So this way we completed this 66. Now we go for the 67. Okay. So here 67, let f from R to R. Fx is equal to x cube plus x square into f dash 1 plus x into f double dash 2 plus f into triple dash 3. This is not double dash 2 and just a minute. Okay, so first of all fx is equal to x cube plus x square into f dash 1 plus x f double dash 2 plus x double dash 3. So first derivative is 3x square plus 2x into f dash 1 plus f double dash 2. Second derivative 6x plus 2 f dash 1, and triple derivative, it is only 6. Okay, third. So we can say that triple derivative is 6. So from this triple derivative we can say that this triple derivative is 6. Now from this 2, f double dash 2 is equal to, here we place the value, then 12 plus 2 f dash 1, right? So here 12 plus f dash 1, and we put this value in f double dash 2 here. We put this value here. So put in 1, we get f dash x is equal to 3x square plus 2x into f dash 1 plus 12 plus 2 f dash 1. So it is 3x square plus 2x f1 plus 2 f dash 1 plus 12. This is 2x f dash 1. This is f dash 1. Okay. So now f dash x is obtained. Now from this f dash x we find f dash 1. It is 3 plus 2 f dash 1 plus 2 f dash 1 plus 12. And from this f dash 1 we find f dash 1, 4 means 3. 3 f dash 1 equal to minus 15. So f dash 1 is minus 5. And f double dash 2 is equal to 12 plus 2 f dash 1. Here we place the value of f dash 1 is minus 5. Then 12 plus minus 10, it is 2. So we find f double dash 2. Now we put this f double dash 2 in 1. Okay. Now f double dash 2 is equal to 2, and fx equal to x cube plus x square, and f dash 1 is minus 5 plus 2x into f double dash 2. F double dash 2 is equal to 2 plus f double dash 3. Okay, there is one correction in statement, that here this is f triple dash 3. So here we find this f triple dash x is 6. Therefore f triple dash 3 is also 6. So here there is one mistake is there in our statement. So we correct them, and now we have fx is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 6, and we just want to find f2. So f2 equal to 8 minus 20 plus 4 plus 6. And when we simplify it, minus 2 is our answer. Okay, so this way we find this sum. Okay, this sum is quite different and quite lengthy. So remember this thing very carefully, that this type of sum are also asked in our JEE exam. Now we go for the next one. Okay, 68. Let fx equal to maximum mod x and x square, where mod x is less or equal to 2. 8 minus 2 mod x is 2 less than mod x is less or equal to 4. So here there are so many points are there. So we put it here, that fx equal to 8 plus 2x, then x square minus x, and x square, and 8 minus 2x. Right. Here the inequalities are also there, that minus 4 less or equal to x less than minus 2, then minus 2 less or equal to x less than minus 1, then minus 1 less or equal to x less than 0, 0 less or equal to x less than 1, 1 less or equal to x less than 2, and x is greater or equal to 2, right? Or we can say that 2 less than x less than 4, right? Or minus 4. So here, or we just take the. So this way we find the function. Now we just draw the graph of this function and then we discuss about it. It is very easy way to find out. Okay, so according to the graph of this function, first you see that if we draw the 8 minus 2x graph, then this is in between, 8 plus 2x graph is 8 plus 2x is here and this is 8 minus 2x. Okay, so first 8 plus 2x graph is in between minus 4 to minus 2. So minus 4 to minus 2, this graph is of 8 plus 2x. Then the next one is from minus 2 to minus 1. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1. So this graph is y equal to minus x square. Okay, this is y equal to x square, not minus x square but x square, right? And then if we draw the graph of y equal to minus x in between minus 1 to 0, then it is from here to here. This is straight line. Okay, here this is slightly curved. Then same way y equal to x is in between 0 to 1, and from 1 to 2 it is y equal to x square, and from 2 to 4 it is y equal to 8 minus 2x. So we can say that this function is continuous but not differentiable at the respective point, means at minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so from the graph we can say that f is not differentiable at minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, right? All these points are included in the given term, right? So this way our answer is C. Okay, in our C answer, this is not differentiable at the respective point. So this is the answer. Now we go for the next one. In this sum, if we want to find according to the derivative, then here first of all we take the left hand derivative of this function is 2, right? And the right hand derivative of this function at minus 2 is equal to 4, or it is 4. So we can say that at minus 2 it is minus 4. So here these two derivatives are not equal, just like this way. I explained for only one. F dash minus 2 minus is equal to 8, not 8 but here only 2 into minus 2, only 2. This is our first result. And f dash minus 2 plus, it is x square means 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4, right? So from 1 and 2 it is not differentiable at this point, minus 2. This function is not differentiable. Same way for minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, we can proceed the same thing, we get answer, right? That function is not differentiable at the respective point minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay, for the next one. Next sum 69. If x log x to base e 2 base e minus x square plus y square equal to 4, then dy upon dx x equal to e is what? So first of all we take x equal to e in a given function or given result. So we can say in given equation. Therefore we get e, this is 1 minus e square plus y square is equal to 4. It is y square equal to 4 upon under root e, only e minus e square. Just a minute. Y square equal to 4 minus e plus e square, right? 4, this is e, okay. So this is e and e minus e square. Okay, there is some mistake here. Here this is 0. So only y square equal to 4 plus e square and y equal to root 4 plus e square. Now what? Here we take the derivative of this term. Now differentiation of x log x to base e minus x square plus y square equal to 4 with respect to x. We get this is multiplicative law. Here we applying the multiplicative law, that first as it is derivative of second, then it is log x to base e into x plus second as it is derivative of first is 1 minus 2x plus 2y into dy upon dx equal to 0. Now here x is removed, put x equal to e. We get 1 upon 1 plus 0 minus 2e plus y is root 2 root 4 plus e square dy upon dx equal to 0. So according to this, dy upon dx is equal to 2e upon 2 root 4 plus e square and there is 1 is also there, so we can say that here 2e minus 1, okay, or upon 2 root 4 plus e square. So this way we can find the answer of 69. Okay, then we go for the next one. 70 question. For x is greater than 1, 2x raised to 2y equal to 4 e raised to 2x minus 2y, then 1 plus log 2x to base e square into dy upon dx is dash. Here we take 2x raised to 2y is equal to 4 e raised to 2x minus 2y, taking log both the side, then 2y log 2x to base e is equal to log 4 to base e plus 2x minus 2y, right? Now we want to simplify here and we take the terms with y with together, then y is common, then 2 log 2x to base e plus 2 is equal to log 2 to base e plus 2x, taking 2 common and cancel, log 2x to base e plus 1 is equal to 1 plus x plus log 2 to base e, or y is equal to x plus log 2 to base e upon 1 plus log 2x to base e, right? So this is our value of y. Now we derivate with respect to x, dy upon dx. So it is 1 plus log 2x to base e into 1 plus x plus log 2 to base e into log 2x is 1 upon 2x into 2, right? So upon, this is minus, upon 1 plus log 2x to base e square. So here 1 plus log 2x to base e minus 1 plus 1 or x plus log 2 to base e upon x is there. Now we just simplify it and we get our here this first we separate the LCM and then we cut this, and x log 2x to base e minus log e 2 to base e is there or upon x. This is 1 plus log 2x to base e square. So we can say that here this term we multiply here, okay, just a minute. So 1 plus log 2x to base e square into dy upon dx is there. So we can say that 1 plus log 2x to base e square into dy upon dx is equal to x log 2x to base e minus log 2 to base e upon x. Right? 70. Next sum. Okay. So here 71. Let S be the set of point in minus pi to pi and fx is equal to minimum sin x cos x in minus pi to pi and not differentiable, then set S is a subset of which set? Here x is belongs to minus pi to 3 pi by 4. Second is x is belongs to minus 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4, and x belongs to pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, and x is belongs to 3 pi by 4 to pi. Okay, and here we know that in this interval minus pi to minus 3 pi by 4, cos x is less than sin x. In the second one, sin x is less than cos x. If we check out here, then here pi by 4 to pi, in all this both the terms cos x is less than sin x. Right? So this way we can obtain the function that fx equal to cos x sin x and minimum means and cos x. Right? And here we take minus pi less or equal to only less than x less or equal to minus 3 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4 less than x less or equal to pi by 4, and pi by 4 less than x less than pi. Right? So this way we can obtain the simplification or our term. Now we want to find okay, then what? Here we just verify with minus 3 pi by 4. So f dash minus 3 pi by 4 minus is equal to d upon dx of cos x at x equal to 3 minus 3 pi by 4. It is minus sin x minus sin minus 3 pi by 4. Now this minus is taking outside, then this is 1 upon root 2. Okay, this is 1 upon root 2, and same way if we find f dash minus 3 pi by 4 plus is equal to d upon dx of sin x at x equal to minus 3 pi by 4, which is cos x minus 3 pi by 4. It is minus 1 upon root 2. Therefore 1 and 2 are not equal. 1 is not equal to 2. Similarly, f dash pi by 4 minus is not equal to f dash pi by 4 plus, according to this given condition. So because here when we put sin x, then it is cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, and here minus 1 upon root 2. So therefore we can say that this function is not differentiable at minus 3 pi by 4 and pi by 4. F is not differentiable at 3 pi by 4 minus and pi by 4. Right? So this is the answer of the given sum. Next, 72. Let f be a differentiable function and f1 equal to 2 f dash x is equal to fx, and for every x belongs to R, if h dash x equal to f1 f fx, then h dash 1 is equal to dash. Here we want to obtain the function ourselves. So we know that e raised to x derivative is equal to e raised to x. Therefore we use this function here and let fx is equal to 2 e raised to x minus 1. Because of there are two conditions, f1 equal to 2 and f dash x equal to fx. So here if we put f1, then it is 2 and f dash x is equal to fx, right? Therefore these two conditions are satisfied. Now here hx equal to f fx, right? So f 2 e raised to x minus 1. Now here we just to find the derivative. H dash x is equal to f dash fx into f dash x, right? Now we want to find f dash fx. We just put 1, h dash 1 equal to f dash f1 into f dash 1. So here when we put f dash f1, then f dash f1, then this is f f1, because we know that f dash x equal to fx. Therefore f dash f1 is f f1 into f dash 1. F dash 1 if we want to find, then we can, but here first we put as it is. Now here we just take f dash 1 is also f1, f f1 into f1. Okay, so here f f1 into f1 is equal to now here we want to just put f1 is equal to 2, so f2 into 2. f2 means here we put at the place of x we put 2, so it is 2 into 2e, it is 4e. So this way we can find the answer of this given term is 4e. Okay, this is good sum.